Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Privy on your Wix website in 2023. Privy is a powerful tool for creating email opt-in and pop-ups and other types of website conversations. So let's easily get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So now what we need to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use Opera, you can use Brave like me, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So whatever browser you have or you want to use, go ahead and use it. Once you do that, of course, you can simply go to your URL section and simply type wix.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or the main screen of Wix website. And of course, here, if you have an account, you can simply click on the login option and that will take you to this page. Of course, here, you can simply enter your email and check this remember me option if you don't want to keep logging in into your account every time you get into the site or into the website. Of course, if you forgot your email, you can simply click here so you can get it back or remember it. Of course, make sure to read this term of use and privacy policy so you don't get in any future troubles. As you can see, you can read them very carefully because it's very important so you don't have any problems in the future with Wix company. Of course, this site is protected by reCAPTCHA Enterprise, Google privacy and terms of use apply, so make sure to read them. And of course, you can even log in into your account with Google, Facebook, or even Apple, or with your SSO. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on the sign up option. And of course, from here, you can create your account by entering your email, then retyping your email, creating a password, and typing your password again, then clicking on sign up. Of course, again, you can create your account with Google account or even Facebook account. And by signing up, you're agreed to our term of use and the knowledge you've read our privacy policy. It's the same as I showed you before. So for me, let me just fill this information real quick right here. Let's say an example that's going to be my email. I'm just going to retype it like this. The password, let's say it's going to be something like this. And let's just re-enter it. And here we are. As I said, you can, or you don't have to fill all of those. If you want, you can simply click add continue with Google if you have your Google account already connected and choose the email or the Gmail that you want to connect with. For me, I choose the same email that I choose here. So now let me just save this. So next time I want to log in or something, I'll not have to fill those manually. And here I'll have to answer a quick survey. So let's set up with the right tools. First, who are you creating websites for? Of course, you can answer those questions or you can simply click on skip. So do whatever suits you. For me, let's say as an example for me or my business or friend. So click on continue. And here, what kind of websites are you creating? Let's say as an example, online store. Click on next. Should not take a lot of time, this survey. And of course, if you're getting bored, as I said, always click on skip. Enter your store name. Let's say, an example, it's going to be something like this. Click on next, because this survey will even help you understanding a lot, and even they will even help you and give you a recommendation based on your survey right here. So let's say, an example, it's going to be blog. I don't know, maybe music, video, and click on next. Why not? So here, as you can see, we can simply now go to our dashboard. And as you can see, they are preparing my dashboard right now. So I'll have to wait a couple of seconds and I'm gonna be right there. So as you can see, now we are at the dashboard of my Wix account. And here, of course, I would like to finish this steps to set up my store as an example. I'll have to add a first my first products, and then set up a payment method. Then, of course, set up shipping and delivery address. Then design my website. Then connect to a custom domain. Then get found by customers on Google. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, if you want to add Privy into your website or Wix website, go to this left panel, click on the last option, which is apps. That will take you to the apps market of Wix website. Simply here, go to the search apps option and type Privy and hit the enter button. That will take you here. And as we said, we would like to add Privy, so simply go here and click on it. Make sure that Privy requires a premium site. Without it, you'll not be able to have it on your store or website. Of course, Privy is available worldwide, so you can use it in all the world. Those are the apps or the languages provided by apps: English, French, Portuguese, and Spanish. You can translate all apps contents displayed on your site into any language. And of course, there are some seats or sites requirements, premium plan, and a connected domain so you can use this app. The Privy app will come with these features, as you can see: email marketing, automated welcome emails, abandoned cart emails, and customers win back emails. List growth welcome discount pop-outs and spin to win and exit intent, and conversation tool, free shipping bar, and A/B testing, and tests SMS marketing, automated text, coupon reminders. So, of course, if you want to read all the features, make sure to click on read more and read them all for here. Once you think that you want to install it, make sure to click on add to site. And as you can see, for me, they are telling me to upgrade site because for me it's not upgraded. So simply for you, if you have the same, click on upgrade site and let's just wait. As you can see here, you'll be able to upgrade your site with one of their plans. As you can see, there's 3 plans. This is the most popular, and each plan comes with its own features. So make sure to select whatever great for you. Once you have your plan, just leave this. Just go back and click on add site again. Once it's added, you'll have to simply create your email opt-in or anything to try out. And of course, you will be able even to customize it to match your website design. You can change the fonts, color, and layout of the email ops, anyway, of whatever Privy can offer you. And of course, once you customize it, you'll be able to add it to your website very easily. Once you do that, of course, make sure to go into another browser and check, and of course, go to your store, then check if everything is working well with your Privy website. So go and to your store and check the email pop-outs and etc. Whatever you made, just go and check it. So to check if everything is fine. If there's a mistake, you can easily come back and fix it. They will provide you with all the steps necessary. So that's it for this video on how to install Privy on your Wix website in 2023. Remember that Privy is a powerful tool for creating emails and a lot of other stuff as I showed you here, and other types of website conversation. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.